In this video, I'm going to show you how to access a dataset in Kaggle. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here and click on Data Hub. If you can't see this, simply click on those three lines top left to open this navigation menu. And then under Data Hub, you want to go to Datasets. Now, of course, here you could go to your work, create a new dataset, whatever, or you could just find one over here inside Datasets, okay? So I'm going to click, for example, on this computer science over here. It's going to filter through, and then I have these datasets over here. There's a lot, so I'm just going to use this first one for an example over here. And then to actually access a dataset, you have a few different options. So you can scroll down over here and you can basically view it. You can see the dataset tags, you can see basically the CSV, etc. So there's like a bunch of different things over here you can read through and then access the dataset that way. Or you could just go to up top over here where you can see code, and you also have an option to download it. So if you want to do this, you can select how you want to download, and then you can download as a zip file as well by clicking over here, and you'll get the access to that specific dataset, okay? But what you can also do is simply click in the top right where you can see those three dots and just click on New Notebook. When you do this, a new notebook is going to be created for you, and then of course this is going to be like recommended for Kaggle analysis. And then whenever you do this, you'll basically see you have like your notebook over here and you have your data set already in here, which you can then run. You can do whatever you want with it over here and kind of analyze it that way, okay? So that's essentially how to access a data set in Kaggle. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.